How to change account in Stumble, guys. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Stumble Guys app or game, and once you are here, what you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. You will get to this page right here where you will see that the first section is the accounts section. So let me quickly just log in to my account so I can show you how you can change your accounts once you are logged in. Now, as you can see, I've signed in with my Google Play account, which is connected right now, and you will see that the login button that was right here, it now says logout, and it has changed from green color to the red color. So once you are logged in to your account using whatever method from these, as you can see, you have Google Play, Facebook, or email, you will have the logout button next to the method that you are logged in with. So if you want to change accounts, you simply just need to click on the logout button, and once you do that, you will see that your uh, account has been logged out and it's now says not connected, and again the button has turned to login option. So once you logged out of your account, you simply need to log in using another account. Say for example, this time I will log in using my Facebook account. Let's click login. And once you do that, you will be logged in with the new method that you've used or the new account. And by doing that, you have just switched the accounts. It's very easy and simple process. So that was it for this video. That's how you can switch Stumble Guys accounts. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.